Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day here, and I'm not saying a bad day. That'd be a little bit too dramatic, but a rough day in the sense of, I mean, you got to give credit where credit's due. Friday was just crazy powerful. I mean, to have the price having been all the way down there and for it to recover all the way up to where it did, and then to have today actually start off pretty well, and then to have everything just basically fade away. I mean, from that point, it was essentially straight down the remainder of the day. Now, does that mean that the entire chart's destroyed? No, absolutely not. But it does kind of represent that whatever power was there this morning totally got wiped away. And, you know, it's there more, no more, which puts, you know, a very important level of support back into play here, down here at $22. And 22 is important just because if the price were to come down here and break down below 22, from a technical point of view, all of a sudden that's just putting this price in kind of the no man's land, where there just isn't any really data points that suggest levels of support until down here at, you know, that $21 mark. Now, I'm not saying if 21 is broken, then it's going straight down to 20, or excuse me, if 22 is broken, then it's going straight down to 21. I'm just saying there just simply isn't any other, you know, data points that suggest it could bounce from it. I mean, it does suggest that it could very well at that point bleed down to 21, if not even down there to right around the $20 mark. But I also don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because, I mean, the price right now isn't even at 22. But nonetheless, like I said, with that failure of strength this morning, I think it becomes a valid and rational thought to have that, you know, the price very well could go down there and do battle with 22. And then you kind of got to see who's going to ultimately win out, you know, at that level. If the price does try to recover back upwards, then it goes back to the level that I've been talking about time and time again, that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which once again allowed the price to get up above it. But when it came to actually staying up above it, the price once again failed, as it's done several times in the past history. But the good news is it's only Monday, still 4 days left on the week. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.